Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix fast battery draining problem on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone battery draining very fastly, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app. Now in settings, just scroll down and look for the general option. And then go to software update and you just have to try to update your software. Because pending software update might have these type of problems. And after updating your software, just go back from here and you have to go to the option of battery, and here look for power mode and you have to enable low power mode to get better battery health, battery lifetime. Select power mode and then enable the toggle which is low power mode. So once I've enabled, it will extend your battery lifetime. Or after that, you have to go back and now you just have to go to general section again, and there go to background app refresh. And here you can directly disable or turn off background app refresh for all of your apps, or you can do this manually for one by one. You can enable it for any of your apps which you don't want to run in background. So after that, you have to simply go back from here and then you go to location services, and you have to also try to disable your location services. So go to privacy and security, select location services, and just try to disable this toggle to disable your location services. So after disabling your location services, go back, scroll down your control center, and here you have to disable all the unnecessary controls. So let's say I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna select my cellular also. So once I disable all the unnecessary connections, it might help to extend your battery lifetime. So after that, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to do some more settings to get extended or better battery lifetime. So go to accessibility first, go to display and text size, scroll down and look for the option of auto brightness, and you have to try to enable this toggle to set your brightness automatically, or whenever if your iPhone will set your iPhone brightness automatically. So enable this toggle, then go back from here and go to motion settings, and you just have to enable this toggle which is reduce motion. So once I've enabled this toggle, it will reduce all the system motions for your iPhone, so you'll not get any motion anymore. So it will help you to extend your battery life, your battery time. So after that, you have to simply go back and just close all the recent apps, and I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press on the volume power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to simply unlock your phone. Now it will get you on quick refresh and all over your system, so you'll get extended battery lifetime. Or you can also check for your battery health. So go for settings app here, then go to battery, and here you just have to select battery health to check your iPhone's battery health. So here you have to make sure that your iPhone battery health is normal and your iPhone's battery maximum capacity is more than 85%. If you see here that your iPhone battery capacity is less than 85 or 80%, so I recommend you how to try to exchange your battery to get better battery life. So in this way, you can easily fix your fast battery draining problem on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.